Located just behind the cab below the roofline, there are two inertial filters on the 5704. So, what the heck is an inertial filter, and how does it work? Inside the filter are wedge-shaped cells with narrow louvered passages. As outside air rushes through, the heavier dirt particles keep moving straight and get pulled into a bleed duct. The clean air changes direction, separating from the dirt through inertia, and flows into the locomotive's air compartment. A bleed blower then ejects the dirt and dust out through the roof. That filtered air helps cool the generator and traction motors, supplies engine air, supports dynamic brake cooling, and keeps the locomotive pressurized to help keep dust out. Now, let's join the crew as they tackle this monstrous job on the 5704.
one. Man, that thing is on there tight. She broke loose.
I almost thought it broke. And it may have.
Think so? Oh, the bolt itself.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's what I wanted to keep from.
No, it broke the bolt. All right, so it's all loose now.
I think.
There we go. Carl, we're ready for you. We're ready for you.
All right.
Two to drill out.
Oh, let's see. Oh, yeah. Beautiful.
I'm going to try the itty bit.
It's not even budging. It's time for breaker bar action. Oh, that one came out pretty easy. Broke loose really easy too. I've only lost 2 bolts. Carl's bringing up the eyes.
You're going to need a couple bars, Richard.
One will go in that hole on this side and one goes in the other hole on the other side, and
Yes,
that's where
sir.
these chains will hook up to.
I'm going to go with that. I'm not going to press it.
There she goes.
Is it away from above?
Oh, she's going. She's going. Get ready, Carl.
That's tight. I mean, I could put a little more pressure up with it.
Nah, Let me see. Probably let it down just a skosh.
One skosh.
One skosh coming up. Okay, so
it's got a flat plenum on the back of it. The thing is about like this.
so you have to come out.
We have to come out
How far are you coming out?
until we hit the plenum. Further.
Little lift, I call. Did it lift a little bit? Yep, little lift. That's it.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go back forward.
Wanna go out the front?
Let's get out here.
So that's the left inertial filter, and you see that bellow tube that comes down to it. Same thing on this side, but John has already loosened the bellow from the filter, from the plenum of the filter housing. So now it's being slid out. Forklift will come in. We'll sit it on the forklift and then lower it down to the ground.
We can. We can use those 2x6s. No, just in a little bit more. Okay. Up. you need to come, just let her down and it should tilt forward.
Okay, but I have to let the carry deck down to do it.
Well, he's got the slack off. Down just a little bit more, Richard. Okay.
Okay, want this down?
Yeah.
More?
Yeah. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Now stop.
Let her down just a little bit, Richard. Okay.
Now you need to pull it out with the little one.
We've got that much of a lift. We've got it tilted like this.
Right.
And what we need to do is put another chain or two on and get the back. Either that or roll it.
Wait.
Let her down just a tad. See where it goes. Okay.
There we go.
Watch your chingus. Aye.
So it was hooked on the plenum. So this is the inertial filter. That's the plenum that was giving us problems. It's hooked right down here. This is where the bellow attaches. The bellow is right there. It's pretty filthy. So we're going to clean it out. So here's our inside look with the inertial filter pulled out. So this is the bellow that attached to the plenum on the inertial filter. That's the left inertial filter, so that's the bellow that attaches to the plenum. Below here we've got air filters. Just pleated paper. And this is the blower motor, and it sucks the air through there and shoots it out the top. Right. It's got a big hole in the side of her. Here's the inertial filter. Pretty filthy. And it doesn't come apart. We're going to pressure wash it. All up and down these louvers. This is a side UC. Unleashing the beast. Got the power washer, getting her ready to go. This is a serious power washer right here. So here's where we're going to power wash it. We should wash little boy Blue over here. He's pretty filthy. I don't think he's ever been washed. $4,000 PSI. Hopefully we don't take the paint off.
And the dirty air has a tendency to go straight. And that inertial blower is like a big vacuum cleaner, so it's sucking
So the clean air is coming out of here.
the dirty air.
Oh, the dirty air is coming out of here and going out the top.
Yeah.
Clean air is coming from here.
Yep.
So the air that goes through this is air that goes to the engine and to the AR10
And traction motors.
and the traction motors
For cooling.
to cool them down. Okay. All right, you got Carl power washing. Or here it is, all nice and clean, power washed. A lot of mud came out of this plenum down here where all the water collected. As good as new. As good as new, Carl. Do you approve? As good as new? All right, it's Carl approved.
I approve that message.
You approve that message. So you probably saw some paint coming off of this. when he was washing it. Well, this grill is going to cover that. So you're not going to see any of the paint that came off in there. Gotta clean all this cork off of here. Hey John, do we have new cork to put on here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sure there's better ways of doing this. Chasing the threads with one hand. Yeah, because we had a lot of trouble pulling these bolts out. We had 2 of them break on us. Let's see, it's right here, here, and here. Look how dirty my hands are. This one's good. So I'm chasing all the threads, and there's, I don't know, 20 or so holes, bolt holes, threaded. There we go. That looks good. Good enough, right? So I'm about halfway done. And I'm just going to keep going until the end of the day here, and then we'll move on to next week, part 2.
Well, we got about 2 inches of material to go through.
Yep, so
That takes a while.
Carl's drilling a hole right down the middle of that bolt. It's snapped. You need any lube?
I did put some on to start with. I'll go into the smaller drill.
Yeah.
The smaller the drill, the better, because you don't have to push so hard.
Right. All right, here goes the
Drill slipping.
I hate when that happens. Is it going in further?
I don't think it is.
Yeah, I didn't see that move a millimeter. How far in is it?
We're in about 1 inch.
Oh, wow. Okay, so we don't have much to go.
No. Let me see another one in that drill set.
Okay.
Those are Milwaukee, so you'd think they'd be
Yeah,
good.
you'd think they'd be good. Well, we're looking for donations of Milwaukee tools. If anybody has any they don't need, that are in new condition, we can always use them here at the museum. All right. Take 3. An even smaller drill bit, right? Is that the same size or smaller?
Yeah, it's about the same size.
Okay. Put a little lube on it. Send it. It did go in a little further.
Yeah, it did. Bolts are a little on the harder side.
That bolt's actually longer because it's got 2 nuts on the backside.
Yeah.
Where this one here is a lot shorter.
Well, we got about 3/4 of an inch to go,
Oh, geez.
which is a long way.
That's a long ways.
Yeah.
We can go through a lot of bits.
Juicy.
last millimeter and the drill bit goes dull on us. All right, we gotta figure something out. Okay, we're gonna go with a little bigger drill bit. Success! Yeah, so went with a slightly bigger drill bit because it is sharp, and all our smaller drill bits were dulled out, so and that worked. Got a hole all the way through. Yeah, mag drill would be good for
Ribs are
this.
starting to.
Well, let me know if you want me to take over for you.
Wow. Smoke.
Yeah. Just let me know if you want me to take over. That last extra millimeter or however more.
I'm
you
just
need to go.
determined to do it.
All right, Carl. There you go.
See?
Yeah. You
What
did
you-
it.
Yeah.
Okay, we got that last hole drilled. There's about a millimeter of material left, so we're gonna try the extractor. Let's see if that will back what's left of that bolt out. If not, then we're gonna drill and tap the hole. And then we should be good. All right, we're going the easy out method. See if this works.
See if this opens up far enough.
He-Man Carl over here.
It just does make it.
Well, something's turning,
Yeah, it's probably the extractor going in deeper.
digging in. Need me to help you with that?
Yeah, if you can.
All right. Okay, now we're going for the big guns. We broke the little handle. Okay, it's moving. Something's moving. Okay, stop. It's losing its grip. Tighten the crescent wrench down a little more.
As much as it'll go.
Okay. Yeah, it's losing its grip. Carl's finishing up those 422 thousandths holes. Now we need a half 13 tap. Where's our taps at?
They're all over the place. They're here, they're there, they're everywhere.
I think those are all sockets. Oh. Got a box of taps right here.
Off the deep
Never
end.
mind that.
Off the deep end.
Off the deep end. Oh, where's this thing been?
It's been
Hidden?
put away so it wouldn't be pilfered.
Let's see. So half 13. Half 13. That's it right there. I think. This one. That's our half 13. Okay. Let's go rock and roll. All right, we're tapping it.
Is that straight, Richard?
No, up a little.
Up.
You're good now.
Right there?
Good.
Yep. Oh yeah.
She's turning.
Feels good.
Successful day, Richard.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna call it a day here. It's about 7 p.m. So it's a little late for us,
This
but
doesn't work anymore.
the handle doesn't work anymore. Did you
No.
break it?
I don't know if the threads got messed up in there.
Hey, Richard, I thought you said this was quality.
It used to be.
Used to be. Yeah, I guess it's not anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't travel anymore.
You still have the crescent out here?
All right, well,
No, I
we'll
don't.
figure it out.
I'll take it.
All right, Richard.
That's a shame.
That's a shame.
Off
So
to the
I guess
barnyard.
not a complete success today because of that. But
At least that's success.
if we measure success by if our tools survive or not, we've lost a lot of tools today, I think. But okay, cool.
Please support us and share.